Hey guys, it's Nick, and just when I thought the market couldn't get any crazier, now you got Elon Musk pumping up Dogecoin cryptocurrency. You got Tesla buying $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. So I'm going to talk about Dogecoin and his Bitcoin purchase, what they probably mean. I have two theories about why he's doing that. And I'm going to talk about what Dogecoin is, if you don't already know, and why you should stay away from it. Elon Musk has been putting out tweets in the last few weeks about Gamestop, about Etsy, about Signal, about Dogecoin more recently. And so some of these things have been going up because of that, and he's been back in the limelight. And so my first theory about what's going on, why he's doing that, is because these meme stocks like GameStop and all these stocks are stealing the thunder from Tesla, and it's taking the spotlight away from Elon Musk that he's used to because of the run-up that Tesla's had recently. Now the spotlight is off of him because these other stocks are having way bigger percentage gains while Tesla is kind of languishing. So if you look at a chart of Tesla in the last 3 years, it's up 1,300%. And this is a chart of GameStop, which has done nothing for 3 years, but now in the last, few weeks has shot up 2,100%. So everybody is focused on this. We're in like the last stages of this bubble blow off top where even Tesla going up 50%, 100% in a year is not good enough for these adrenaline junkies that want to buy something that's going to go up 50%, 100% in a day. And so Tesla has become kind of the old slow stock, and people don't want that. They want quick money. And so they're buying anything that's cheap to get it up to hundreds of percent gains. And so that's why people are now jumping into Dogecoin as well as jumping into GameStop when it was a few dollars a share, and AMC and BlackBerry and Nokia and all of these things. 100% a year is not good enough anymore. They want 100% in a few days. And so that's where we are in this stock market. So recently, Musk has been putting out tweets about Dogecoin. For those who don't know, Dogecoin was made as a joke, okay? It wasn't meant to be a cryptocurrency. It's like a Me Too kind of joke, meme kind of coin. When all these people were putting out coins, this guy put out a coin and it's supposed to be a joke. So in this Wall Street Journal article, the creator of Dogecoin said he set out to create a coin so ridiculous it could never be taken seriously. And so it had some fame, and in 2014, its online supporters helped fund the Jamaican bobsled team in Sochi, and they sent a Dogecoin NASCAR racer to Talladega Superspeedway in Alabama. So Musk tweeted, "No highs, no lows, only Doge," he posted. And Dogecoin immediately shot up 80% intraday, okay? This is the ridiculous clown market we're in right now. Dogecoin was half a penny in 2021. Now it's up somewhere around 8 cents or something along those lines. So for all these people that want super fast gains and are no longer getting it in GameStop, or think that they missed the boat on GameStop, now they want something even cheaper. And that Dogecoin kind of fits the bill, because now it's up, 1,600% since 2021. Okay, that's more than Tesla is up in 3 years. And so the guy who made this, Mr. Marcus, who no longer works on Dogecoin, couldn't believe the code he wrote in 3 hours on a Sunday gave rise to a cryptocurrency worth billions of dollars in total market value. The idea of Dogecoin being worth 8 cents is the same as GameStop being worth $3.25. It doesn't make sense. It's super absurd. The coin design was absurd. So Musk is getting all these people riled up, the people that saw GameStop go up like crazy. Now he's getting them riled up about Dogecoin, and you see people talking about, let's get this thing up to $1, because they have these dreams of this thing going from 8 cents to $1 now, so they make 1,200% or something crazy like that. This is what happens at the very end stages in a stock market bubble. People start picking up the trash in hopes of big gains. It happens in real estate also. At the top of a real estate bubble, the crappiest houses go up the most percentage-wise because people are just buying anything. And now on top of that, they just announced that Tesla bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. So what does this all mean? To me, it's kind of a hype machine. Like I said, Tesla has been doing nothing for the last month or so while all these short stocks have been going up like crazy. And so look at the stock price of Tesla. It went from 900 to like 800 now. The air is coming out because people have a short attention span and they only want to see something that's rocketing up every day. And if Tesla's not doing that, they're going to go find the trashiest penny stocks they can find, or penny cryptos or whatever that has the potential to go up 100% in a day or whatever. And so Tesla didn't really buy that Bitcoin because they think it's going to help the company somehow. It's more of a marketing thing. It's more PR. It's more advertising. And so if you think about it, Elon Musk has about 20% of the company. So at $800 a share, his stake is worth about $160 billion, okay? So buying $1.5 billion of Bitcoin, if that makes the stock go up just 1%, which is $8, his personal share just went up. His personal share of stock of Tesla just went up $1.6 billion, okay? So it's kind of like a way to goose the stock, in my opinion, just to get people on board that not only is Tesla, you know, the wave of the future with EVs, now they're buying Bitcoin, kind of like MicroStrategy, who's buying this Bitcoin, and it seems like that's the only thing they do is buy Bitcoin. So now you got these two things that everybody's interested in. And so I think that he's doing this in the hopes that it gets people interested again in Tesla stock to go back up. He doesn't care about the value of the Bitcoin because he has so much shares of Tesla that that's what he's mainly worried about, that if the Tesla shares go up, he'll make a lot more than the $1.5 billion that they spent on Bitcoin. I mean, they do a secondary offering of $5 billion every few months, so it's not a big deal. Matter of fact, Tesla shareholders paid for that Bitcoin with the secondary offering that they just did a few months ago. So yeah, that's my theory number one, is that he's doing all of this because he wants the limelight again, and Tesla stock is not doing much, and he's trying to goose it up. My second theory about this, and stay with me, okay? My second theory is that this is one big marketing test to see how much pull he has to push a stock, or more importantly, a crypto. Okay, so does Elon Musk really care about if Dogecoin goes from half a penny to $1 or 10 cents or whatever? No, he thinks big. He's you know, he's the richest guy in the world, so he's not worried about trying to buy $1.5 billion of Bitcoin and hope it doubles or something like that, or buy some you know, joke Dogecoin whatever and hope it goes up 5 times or something like that. In my mind, he may be kind of testing the water and doing market research for some kind of Tesla coin, Elon Musk coin, something along those lines, where he can be the full owner of it or own the lion's share of it, and then come out with some press conference and say, we have, you know, the next generation cryptocurrency called Teslacoin or Musk coin or something like that. And potentially it's going to have some kind of features that make it 10 times better than Bitcoin or something along those lines. So think maybe, you know, you don't have to spend a whole lot of energy mining this thing or something. It's going to be environmentally friendly. Or if you buy, you know, a Tesla going forward, each Tesla is going to mine some of this coin or some, you know, something crazy like that, where he owns the lion's share of this coin. and start selling it and have people, you know, all the Tesla fanboys, along with crypto fanboys, along with, you know, Wall Street bets guys that are just looking to buy the next hot thing that they think is going to go up, and have all three of them come together and try to take this thing up. That's what I think all of these tweets and stuff is, to talk about Dogecoin and Bitcoin and all this stuff. He's probably planning something big. That's what I think in my mind. So guys, take a step back and think about this before you go buy something that Elon Musk or Snoop Dogg or somebody is tweeting about, that you should go invest your money in these things. Think about that for a second and say, let me see. I'm going to go invest a whole bunch of money in a cryptocurrency that was made by somebody as a joke 10 years ago and has done nothing, only because this billionaire puts out these funny cryptic tweets. For all you know, he could be sitting back in his mansion and just saying, you know, I wonder how crazy people are, you know, how much I can get them to buy this stock up just from tweeting about it, and just having a laugh about that, sitting back and laughing at how just people just follow him off a cliff like lemmings. I mean, we are in the final innings of this bubble market, and it's not going to end well. And the people that are, you know, coming late to the party, that are trying to buy the cheapest thing they can get in the hopes that it goes up like crazy, this happens all the time. This is not new. This has been going on forever. And if you want to read about how many times these kinds of bubbles have happened in the last hundreds of years, do yourself a big favor and get yourself this book, Extraordinary Popular Delusions and the Madness of Crowds by Charles Mackay. And one of my favorite quotes ever is in this book, and it goes, "Men, it has been well said, think in herds. It will be seen that they go mad in herds, while they only recover their senses slowly and one by one." So guys, don't follow the madness of these herds of whoever's on Twitter, whoever's on Wall Street bets telling you to buy this thing and hold forever and diamond hands and all this stuff. Go take a look at the people who are still holding Gamestop. Okay, the stock is $50, $60 from $500. So that thing went up with the madness of crowds, and now people are only regaining their senses one by one. And so the last guy to turn out the lights on GameStop when it's $2 a share is going to be kicking himself, saying, I could have sold a lot higher. What the hell was I thinking? And this is going to be the same thing when Dogecoin or any of these other meme stocks, short stocks, whatever, that get pumped up on social media or by rich famous people or whatever, when they finally come back in, you're going to be saying, what the hell did I do? Guys, I hope you liked this video, and for the first 1,000 people that click the like button, you can go to my affiliate link below in the description and sign up for the new Teslacoin. All you have to do is send me a $100 deposit and you will have guaranteed riches. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in the next one.